Hey, you're an American now. You'll make it. You keep going.
You are bigger than a woman. You are better than a woman.
We'll always be behind you. Do not let a woman.
No, it's not happening. It's not happening. Cool. See, he got rid of his. I'm fucking Joker.
Jesus loves your son. Do Jesus love my brother Pillow? He loves your brother Pillow. Do Jesus love my neighbor Sultan Tuliakbai? Yes, he loves everything. Nobody loves my neighbor Sultan Tuliakbai. Jesus healed the pain that is in my heart.
Holy fuck, man.
Oh man, don't make me feel bad about it. I thought that's what I was supposed to do.
It's totally what you're supposed to do, but I just fucking... I so hope I'm done with these fucking hiccups. Oh. That was like a delayed reaction fucking choke out. I didn't even feel it until like 5 minutes ago.
And I lowered your head softly to the ground too. I'm not some kind of asshole to be like, oh, I'm gonna choke my friend out and let his head drop.
Yeah, that was a decent one.